Joe here with Grandview Aesthetics and Diva Med Spa, Dr. Nanda for 5 minutes of Dr. Nanda. It's summertime. We want to talk about toe fungus. What is toe fungus, Dr. Nanda?
Okay, so toe fungus, so it's not always the most sexy thing for us to talk about, but it's very important because actually a large number of people have this. And a lot of people are embarrassed or ashamed of it, but there's no reason to be. It's actually a natural thing that happens a lot. How do we get it, first of all? So let's say you're running outside, you kick a rock or something by accident, you're playing sports or soccer outside and you kick something with your cleats. That is actually a trauma to the nail bed. So trauma is how we start this growth of the fungus. So that will actually start the process of the toenails or the fingernails to start getting infections. Once we have that, that tends to get worse and worse and worse, unless it's treated.
And is it actually a fungus?
Yeah, it is an actual fungus. We like to do a scraping often, and we'll scrape it. We'll send it to our lab for pathologic findings to confirm it. But then we know, yes, this is truly a fungus. Now, there's different methods of treating this fungus. You can either use some medications commonly known, Lamisil, Jublia. We try to shy away from that first one, from Lamisil, because it actually requires liver tests. So you have to actually take blood and actually do blood tests very often on this medication because it can be harmful to your liver. We don't like that. So in comes lasers. Lasers is how we like to treat this, actually. And it's a pretty quick and easy process. We try to heat up that nail bed with our laser to a temperature that can actually kill those fungal spores. And we do that a number of times, depending on how bad the infection is, usually about once a month. The more we do it, the better the outcome of long-term results. And we've had almost a very good track record of clearing these. We're going to show some photographs of this too on here.
And so you heat the nail. Does it actually hurt?
So it's actually hot. So it's not completely like, you know, how your nails normally feel, because we have to heat up the nail bed. So now it's not supposed to be like a stabbing pain or anything like that. So I don't want people to think that, but it does get hot, and that's what we want to do. But no one has not been able to withstand this. So it's a very, there's no anesthesia needed. You just come in, we do it. It's a very quick procedure. You sit there and we actually rub the laser. We actually move the laser over the nail bed, including over the cuticle, and that helps clear this nail.
So earlier you said you take a scraping from the nail. So the fungus is actually attacking the nail, or is it under the nail?
It's under the nail. It actually grows inside underneath the nail. So we actually will take a, almost like cutting your nails, and we'll take that, we'll send it to our lab, and then they will analyze it and confirm that this is fungus.
And there's different types, because sometimes it's yellow or brown or
Very
gray.
good question. Very good question. So there's different types of fungus, and that's what our pathological study shows us. It actually identifies which type it is. But once we clear this, you are good. You like this, and you can go back to your regular routine of life.
So what's the shortest time frame you've seen someone clear up in?
4 to 6 months.
And with this, after the fungus is cleared, does it come back naturally, or is it gone?
So once we've cleared it, it's technically gone. However, any type of trauma that you do can actually bring this back again. So we have to actually dig in a little bit deep into lifestyle, saying, what do you do? Do you play sports? What type of shoes do you wear? These are all questions we ask in the consult. So we can actually help you change those lifestyle things that may have caused it, so we can prevent it from happening again.
And how does somebody make an appointment for this?
So visit us at our website, greatskinohio.com, or call us at any of our locations. We'll love to sit down, chat with you. There's no obligation required. We'll sit down, we'll talk first, and make sure you're comfortable with the program.